This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Chateau M35SM Super CF550 is a Class C RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona, 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Chateau M35SM Super CF550 is built on a Ford F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.